gonna be expensive. Look at the state of it. No choice, touring in a few days time, have to make a spare key. I don't want to risk losing my only key. So we're gonna head to a very good locksmith that I know is around Skudai area. So the map asks us to U-turn here. So previous time when I come here, I don't want to U-turn. I turn right, then go one big round. So must make a U-turn here. Must make Walao eh, sibei wide sia. Okay lah, so you just go straight a bit, then you turn left here. The one with the key logo. Located just walking distance from Tasik Central, we have this very good key smith, which is called Jufat Key Service. Let's check it out. Just mau bawa kunci aja. Okay, so XADV. So I believe they have the price list written somewhere. Don't know if you guys can see or not. Can do car keys as well. Ini kotak satu, buat kotak satu sama ini fork.
Ini 180.
Ya, betul. 180 ringgit for the XADV. Motor ada. So fella is out with the scan tool there. Okay. He's doing a clone. ADV 750. The boss is taking over. So earlier on, I guess what happened is maybe he select the wrong key lah. So after you select the right key, you put it at an angle like that, and then just wait for it to program. So gonna try out. Tutup ah ini. Okay. I was just adjusting the thing on the meter. Okay, then ni pun mau buat yang kunci merah kotak. Tak ada kecil punya. Itu sama aja. I don't like the fat one, but no choice. No choice. She only got that type. So this is the original one, and this is the copy lah. Fatter lah, one slimmer. Don't know you guys can see the difference a bit, very slight. Kalau macam motor X-Max buat berapa? X-Max.
Sama macam ni.
Sama harga 18, okay. X-Max Riders same price . So how they do, they have one here which is the scriber, right? And then on the other side here, they have the, so long way. That side is the original one. Then they just follow the pattern and then they scribe over on this side. He's eating into the metal here. Right. Yeah, all done. 192. Okay. 192 in total. 12 for this and 180 for this.
Thank you. you.
Okay, thank you, boss. Oh, done. How long did that take? Maybe 15 minutes at large. We're all set and good to go. So next up will be lunch. I actually wanted to have nasi padang, but I was distracted by what I passed by. So this is the first Jollibee I ever seen in Johor. I know they have been around, but I happened to pass by this area, and I can't resist. I think it's been like 2 years since I had it. So we're gonna check out if it's as good as I remembered. Empty, and I'm hungry, guys. Seriously. Okay, let's see what they have here. Alright, guys, I've decided to have the 3-piece chicken with the spaghetti, non-spicy. I always feel spaghetti shouldn't be spicy. The makan is here. So we have the original, spicy, and the pasta. Give it a try. Let's see. A little bit on the sweeter side compared to Coke, right? I'm overwhelmed. Not sure what I should try first. The pasta. Give you guys a close up. How about that? There we go. Yum yum. Okay. Sit up a bit. So inside here we have tiny piece of sausages. About 4 to 5 pieces of sausage. I believe we have some kind of meat here, like a beef or something like that. Let's have it with the sausage lah, beefy sausage. Alright, exactly I remember. Full of flavor. The sauce is very smoked, meaty sausage-like, and it looks simple just now. It looks like they just dump a concoction of very simple things, but the taste is amazing. I think it's a combination of cheese and meat that give this very umami taste. Very, very nice. Shock. Okay, and we move on. We move on to the chicken wings here. So perhaps we'll start off with video first. Okay, so you probably start off with the original. So they gave me a piece of wing here. Okay. Light, crispy, flavorful, flour, sweet, salty. Right, so you guys can imagine. I wouldn't say it's very tender on the inside, a tad on the dry side. I'm going to move on to the spicy lah. So maybe I'll start with the rib. The rib here. Oh, okay. Quite similar to this, but everything has spice to it. I don't really know how to explain. Spiciness level, out of 10, this is about a 4. a 4 to a 5, a very pleasant. I don't think I might order. I might order this a bit too plain. Maybe for kids. Kids definitely don't order this for them. This is the way. Maybe if you eat this, you have to eat with the sauces, right? Like the chili and the tomato that I got. Or you know what? Maybe it's this sauce that we're supposed to eat it with, right? Yeah lah, I think supposed to eat with this sauce. No wonder it's so boring. This is yeah, but I don't talk in my mouth full. This is a very not creamy, pepper-ish mushroom sauce. Let's imagine it as that. Right, so thanks for joining me today in this very short trip where I just did my kids and have Jollibee. So just a short one for you guys today, and I'll see you guys for the next adventure. Goodbye.